we are going to discuss about the ChatGPT. It is the AI tool. We can use basically for many of the knowledge-based experiment. Our students are going to explain about the ChatGPT.
I am somebody from student department. ChatGPT is one of AI tool. It works on a different segment. First is the customer segment, the individual user. It's for only professionals and students and other public users it can use for ChatGPT. And the business and startups for AI developers and education institutions. Then value of proportions of ChatGPT is instant user clear information and idea. Then its workability was 24/7. It's available in the AI tool. Then it is a cost efficient with multiple language supports.
This is from the school department. Channel web application, mobile apps, Android, iOS, customer relationship, self-service platform, subscription-based service, access, community support, and help center.
I'm going to take a revenue system. Revenue system for ChatGPT subscription plans. There are different types of subscription plans like Plus, Pro, Team, Enterprise, etc. Then API usage pricing, enterprise license, and secondly key resources of ChatGPT are AI models like multi-language processor and cloud infrastructure, etc.
The main drawback of using ChatGPT is we should not fully depend on the ChatGPT. Sometimes it may correct, sometimes it may be wrong. Based on the given input, it will act. So we should not be fully dependable on the ChatGPT. Sometimes we have to analyze what they are given and what we are going to present. So we can break the false in the some statement we are going to present. Thank you.